Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in New Tampa. We're here for a returning customer. Last year, me, EJ, and his son Javian, we came here. We did the driveway, the sidewalks, the pool deck, pool screen, in the front of the house. We're gonna be doing the same exact scheduled appointment today. This customer here likes to keep her property looking good, so she hit me up 2 days ago. Actually, I followed up with her. And she forgot my number. She actually went to my Google page, sent me a message, and asked me if I had messaged her, and I told her it was me. So she got it scheduled. I appreciate all y'all support. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're gonna get it cracking, man. Let me show you guys what we got going on. Sidewalk. It's a long sidewalk. Pretty far. Corner house. But it's not as bad as it was last year. Got a little bit of algae starting to build up. So we got oil stains. Normally the algae start building up underneath the windows. On the corners you can see it's starting to run down right there. We're gonna downstream everything today. We're gonna downstream the whole entire house. That was a pain last year to rinse under there. But got some nice cars, right? So many cars over here. Cars over there. You got more cars over there. Right now it's almost 9:30. We got 2 jobs today on the schedule. We're gonna be doing this one and another house wash. This pool screen is not that dirty anyway, because we just did it last year. So the pool deck here. A lot of these marks don't come out, so if you see them after we clean, it's just weathered away because it's so old. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start spraying the cage down. Try and get done as soon as possible. 2 jobs. I'm trying to enjoy my day today. I've been going so hard lately. Alright, let's go. Okay, we just got done soaping up the pool cage. You can see everything is soaped up, everything is clinging on there. I want to put some more in because I want to hit this back window. That's just some algae on the back windows, the window sills right there. Same thing over there. This stuff right here won't come off, so that's not part of the job. And it doesn't hurt the pool if it gets in the pool. You don't have to worry about that. All right, we got the pool deck soaked up in the back of the house. We're gonna go ahead and start rinsing from the outside now. You guys, we all finished back here. This is what we look like now. Got a couple little weeds, not that much though. Everything's looking good back here compared to earlier. Pool deck is cleaned up, cage is cleaned up. I had EJ and Javian last time. He was able to help me move this stuff, but I can't do this alone. But you see what it's looking like. And I told you guys this was gonna stay like this here because it's an old deck. All right, guys, we're gonna knock out the front and then start doing the flat work. All right, we got the entire front side of the house soaked up. Over here is mostly cobwebs on the cracks, on the crevice. I got two wasp nets I got knocked down over there. Let's go check out the front where I sprayed for that underneath the windows, see what we're looking like. Oh yeah, she's disappearing nice. So we're gonna go ahead and let that dwell for a little bit and rinse that up and then jump on the flat work. in for like 20-30 minutes now. I'm done with the job. Let's check it out. So this is the sidewalk here, all cleaned up. All right guys, see you on the next job. All right, you guys, we're at the second job for the day. We're gonna be doing a house wash here in Lutz, Florida. This house is going up for sale. The gentleman that called me, his mom just passed away or whatever, and they're gonna get the house ready for the market. So we're gonna make it look good for him. So this is the house here. It's a basic stucco house. She got a driveway done too. Probably see if I can set them on that. But the fascia got some algae on it, as you can tell. A couple of mud daubers up there. The window seals are pretty dirty. Same thing as the window. You see the windows in there. Got a lot of algae on them. This is my first time here, so. Oh, they got a pool cage back here. I'll take you guys around. Well, I guess we won't be doing inside because look, only one door and it's locked, and nobody lives here. Well, that solves that. So we're just gonna watch the rest. I guess we're just gonna watch the 3 walls of the house. Pretty dirty up here too. All right, we're gonna be downstreaming this house. I'm gonna call the gentleman to see if he wanna put the driveway on. So since it's pretty dirty. All right, good news, man. Owner says go ahead. The son of the owner said go ahead and do the driveway. So since we can't do the back, you know what I'm saying, I told him I'd do the front, and we came across you know what I'm saying, a good term. I give him a discount, you know, on the driveway. So what he said was next time when I come back, we'll go ahead and knock out the pool cage, the deck, which is pretty dirty anyway, and the back of the house. So, you know what I'm saying, it worked out perfect. So we're gonna wash the 3 sides and then the driveway. So we got the house soaked up. Same thing for the driveway. I didn't put that much surfactant in the new SH I just put in the tank, so that's why it's not so soapy. But everything should be coming off pretty well. It's a little cool out here in Florida, man. I know y'all can't see, but I can off that water over there, that pond. I mean, it's just icy on top of that. But yeah, this is cleaned up pretty well. Check out the other one over here. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Sometimes when it's cold, man, the SH doesn't work as fast. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all probably could see it on camera. I can't. Try to look at my screen. You can see on top of that water, that frost looking smoke coming off of there. Look at that. But yeah, this screen is dirty. And the cage is dirty too. So when I come back the next time, we'll be doing this back area. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this soap rinsed up and then do the driveway. All right, you guys, we made it, man. Rain and all, man. We got it done. House is complete. Driveway, sidewalk, walkway is done also. Let's check it out. So this is the front area here. Flawless concrete, man. I went ahead and did the borders, cleaned that for him, man. I know his mom just passed away. I'm pretty sure she would have loved that. So just a little something for Mom Dukes. All right, you guys, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I enjoy doing this type of content for you guys, man. I appreciate all the support. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.